Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Kia Forte LX. Under the hood we have a 1.8-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. I really love the blue on this guy. It looks very nice. You do have that Kia logo right up front, and you do have your projector style headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side, we do have our tires just over here. They do have Winter Edge brand tires there, and they look great. Still lots of tread left on them, and those rims are very nice as well. And coming up here, we do have the heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back, we do have the Forte logo and the Kia logo right there. Now, we just got to press the button on the keys to unlock the back. There we go. Now we can get in here. Lots and lots of room back here. Lots. You can put whatever you might want back here. It is soft as well, so it won't be getting scratched up. And underneath here, you do have a pump as well to fill up a tire if it did go flat. Well, we got our keys here, so we got two presses to lock the doors. You got two presses to unlock all the doors. You do have that one to hold to open up the back, and you do have your horn there. Press this button right here. It does flip out your key. But let's unlock and take a look. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out there with our handle there. Another handle here, leather to rest your arm on. And you do have a cup or a water bottle holder just down here, sorry. And then in our lights here, we do have the controls. So we have our off, our on, our daytime running lights, all those guys hanging out right in there. And then down here, we do have our eco mode. We have our in-cabin light control and our traction control all in there. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there it also tells us our range, and it does tell us our average, the gear we're in, and it also says, sorry, our odometer. We can change that around a bit. We got our trip A and our trip B, and then back to the range there. In the on the steering wheel here, you got your mute and your mode, as well as your volume up and your selector here. Your Bluetooth options right there. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there with your trip and your reset buttons. Right there, we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. And then in the center here, we do have our radio with the temperature right up there. Sorry, our clock with the temperature. And then here we have our hazard lights, our CD player. We have a radio with AM, FM, and Sirius XM. All right there. You got your media. You have your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You have your seek and your track, your scan, your setup, your menu, and your folder there. You also have your volume up and down, your presets here, and your tuner there. You have your power, your AC. You get this guy here, which is the selector for where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrost, your circulation, and your heat right there. Down here we do have a USB plug-in and an aux cord plug-in, plus a 12-volt. And then we can also pull this down just like that and hide all that stuff. And then you got your heated seats here and your gear shift, just like that. And then you also have in the center here, sorry, get that out of the way, we have some cup holders and our e-brake right there. And then we also have our armrest, which does slide, always nice to do. And you do have some storage just in there. You can get that out of the way. Lots of room in there. And then you do have your glove box right here with your owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. You do have the controls over your windows right there. Same leather here and a handle with the same kind of water bottle holder just down there. You do also have your handle here. Lots of room back here. Very comfortable in the back. Very soft. You can seat 3 people back here, so 5 altogether. Very comfortable. Same material as the front, and you'll be good for a while. And there's our 1.8-liter L4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2014 Kia Forte LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.